Why didn't Pluto attend the planetary party? Because it wasn't cleared for orbit. Now that we've got the ice broken, let's delve into the world of Pluto. This icy dwarf planet, located in the farthest reaches of our solar system, was first discovered by astronomer Clyde Tombaugh in the year 1930. Initially, it was welcomed into our cosmic neighborhood as the ninth planet, orbiting at an average distance of just under 6 billion kilometers from the Sun. However, in 2006, the International Astronomical Union decided to redefine what qualifies as a planet, and poor Pluto was demoted to the status of a dwarf planet. Despite this, it holds the title of being the second largest dwarf planet in our solar system, only surpassed by Eris. So, although Pluto was uninvited from the planetary party, it's still an intriguing celestial body worth exploring. So what makes Pluto stand out in the vast expanse of the universe? Let's find out. Just to give you a sense of scale, Pluto is about 2,368 kilometers in diameter. That's about 18.5 times smaller than Earth. But don't let its size fool you. Pluto is a world full of surprises. When it comes to temperature, Pluto is one of the coldest places in the solar system, with temperatures dipping as low as minus 223 degrees Celsius. That's cold enough to freeze nitrogen, which is exactly what happens on Pluto's surface, leading to a landscape covered in nitrogen ice. In terms of its location, Pluto resides in the farthest reaches of our solar system, with an average distance from the Sun of just under 6 billion kilometers. That's about 40 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. Now let's talk about Pluto's moons. Yes, you heard it right. This dwarf planet boasts a family of 5 moons. The largest and most famous of these is Charon, with a diameter that's about half that of Pluto itself. Charon is so large that Pluto and Charon are sometimes referred to as a binary system, where both orbit around a common center of mass. The remaining 4 moons are Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx. These moons are much smaller and were discovered much later. The most recent additions to the family, Kerberos and Styx, were spotted by the Hubble Space Telescope in 2011 and 2012 respectively. Each of Pluto's moons adds another layer of complexity and intrigue to this distant world. Their orbits, sizes, and compositions provide valuable clues about Pluto's history and the early days of our solar system. Despite being a dwarf planet, Pluto has a family of moons that makes it a fascinating subject in the cosmos. There's been a hot debate in the cold realms of space. Is Pluto a planet? To answer this, let's first understand what defines a planet. According to the International Astronomical Union, a celestial body is considered a planet if it orbits the Sun, has a nearly round shape, and has cleared its orbit of other debris. This third criterion is where Pluto falls short, as it shares its orbit with many other icy bodies in the Kuiper belt. However, some NASA researchers propose a new definition. In their view, a planet doesn't need to have cleared its orbit. Instead, it should be spherical and should not have been a star at any point. This new definition could make room for Pluto and a host of other dwarf planets and moons to be classified as planets. So, the debate continues, and who knows? Pluto might get an invite back to the planetary party. While the debate rages on, our curiosity about Pluto hasn't waned. Back in 2006, a space probe called New Horizons embarked on an epic journey to our solar system's icy outskirts. After 9 thrilling years, it whisked past Pluto, capturing stunning images and gathering valuable data. These observations have given us a closer look at this distant world, revealing a fascinating landscape of mountains, valleys, and plains, all shrouded in ice. Nestled in the heart of the Kuiper belt, a region teeming with icy objects and comets, Pluto follows a highly elliptical orbit. This quirky path sometimes brings it closer to the Sun than Neptune, adding another twist to its already intriguing story. Whether a planet or a dwarf planet, Pluto continues to captivate us, proving that size doesn't always matter in the grand scheme of the universe.